What if you could make your home look significantly more expensive without renovating a single room? You don't need new floors. You don't need a designer kitchen. And you certainly don't need to spend tens of thousands of dollars. Luxury is often created by something much simpler: how you decorate the space you already have. Here are 7 details that can instantly make an ordinary home feel more elegant. Number 1. Add a statement mirror. One of the easiest ways to transform a room is with a beautiful oversized mirror. Instead of choosing a basic frameless design, look for an ornate gold, vintage, or French-inspired frame. A large mirror reflects natural light, creates depth, and gives a room a stronger focal point. Place it above a console table, fireplace, or in an entryway, and suddenly the entire space feels more intentional. Number 2. Upgrade your lighting. Beautiful homes rarely rely on one harsh ceiling light. Instead, they use layers of warm lighting. Think elegant table lamps, floor lamps, wall sconces, and even a small chandelier. The right lighting can completely change the atmosphere of a room. And you don't need expensive electrical work. A beautiful lamp with a warm bulb can sometimes make a bigger difference than an expensive piece of furniture. Number 3. Use curtains that reach the floor. This is one of the simplest tricks designers use. Short curtains can make windows feel smaller and ceilings feel lower. Floor-length curtains, especially when hung slightly above the window frame, create the illusion of height and make the entire room feel more luxurious. For an elegant look, consider velvet, linen, or soft neutral fabrics. Number 4. Introduce one vintage-inspired piece. Luxury interiors often have something with character. It could be a vintage wall clock, an antique-style mirror, an ornate picture frame, or a beautiful decorative cabinet. The goal isn't to fill your home with antiques. It's to give the room a sense of history. A single distinctive piece can make a space feel collected rather than mass-produced. Number 5. Decorate your surfaces. Empty surfaces can make a room feel unfinished. But too many objects create clutter. The secret is creating small, intentional arrangements. Try a decorative tray with a candle, a vase, a small clock, or a few beautiful books. These tiny details create layers and make a room feel thoughtfully designed. Number 6. Choose fewer, better-looking accessories. This is one of the biggest secrets of expensive-looking interiors. You don't necessarily need more decoration. You need better decoration. Instead of 10 random objects, choose 3 or 4 pieces that share a similar style. Gold accents, natural materials, classic shapes, beautiful textures. Consistency creates sophistication. And finally, number 7, create a focal point. Every beautiful room needs somewhere for the eye to go. It might be a magnificent mirror above a fireplace, a beautiful chandelier above a dining table, a vintage clock on a feature wall, or an elegant piece of furniture surrounded by simpler decor. When everything competes for attention, nothing feels luxurious. But when one element becomes the star, the entire room feels more sophisticated. And that's the real secret. Expensive-looking interiors aren't necessarily about expensive things. They're about proportion, lighting, texture, balance, and choosing the right details. So before you start planning a renovation, look around your home. You may already have everything you need. Sometimes all it takes is one beautiful mirror, warmer lighting, elegant curtains, and a few carefully chosen accessories to completely change how a room feels.